Welcome back to the Learning Hub. This is Chapter 5 of our Excel learning program. Hope you have enjoyed Chapter 4 on the basic mathematic operations. If you have not gone through the previous chapter, please find the link in the description below. Please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get a notification of new videos. Today we are going to cover how to mark and remove duplicate data from Excel. If you see here in columns A, B and C, I have put some data which is highlighted in yellow and amber. I have marked some duplicate values. You will see some cases when you need to delete the duplicate data, but it will be really great if you can just mark the duplicate data first. Look at this if it's important or not, and then you can take the decision either to remove that data or not. So, marking the duplicate data is pretty easy. We will cover a couple of use cases. If you select your data and go to the Home menu, you will see the option called Conditional Formatting. Then the first option is to highlight cell rules, and then click on the last option which says Duplicate Values. Here you can choose the color of your choice. The default color is light red, and once you click OK, it will mark all the values which are coming for more than one time. If you want to clear this rule, you can just select your data, and go into the same option Conditional Formatting under the Home menu, and second last option is Clear the Rule, either from the entire sheet or from the selected cells. You can just clear this. The second use case you may find is that if you select two columns together and then you mark all the duplicate data from the same option under the Home menu, it will also mark all the data which is coming more than one time. It will give the result based on your selection. Earlier it was just searching the duplicate data from your selection of one column, but now we have selected two columns. Based on that it is marking the data. Now let's go for another rule, and let me clear the previous rule for the entire sheet. Right now, what we are going to do is, we are going to select all three columns and we'll mark the duplicate values and we'll see what will be the result. We will go into the Home menu and then Conditional Formatting. I will select Highlight Cell and Duplicate Values, and look at the results here. So now it has marked more duplicate values than the column A and B. And the reason is, that this function will find each and every value either from column A, column B and column C. And based on that it will mark all the duplicate values which are mentioned more than once. If you see here the delta is mentioned only once, Foxtrot is mentioned once, Foxpro, Lima, November, and December. All these 6 values which are not highlighted in red, are mentioned only once. Rest everything like Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Golf, or Hotel or many values are coming more than once. These are highlighted in the light red. So, it means these are duplicate values that are repeated more than once. Now we know which are duplicates. Now let's clear these values and try removing duplicates. You don't have to clear the duplicate values which are marked for deletion, but here we are just taking the example. We know which value should be removed. If you select only one column and go into the Data menu, under the Data menu you see the Remove Duplicates, and click Remove Duplicates. It asks you whether you want to identify the duplicate value across the entire sheet in column A, column B, and column C, or you would continue with your current selection. If you continue with your selection and click on the Remove Duplicate, it will identify the duplicate values only from column A, then it will remove values and it will give you the result. If you notice all the values which were duplicates like letter A and B, have been deleted. And let's undo by pressing Ctrl+Z. Now let's see in the next use case, we will select two columns, and then we will remove the duplicate values from two columns. Here is what it will do. It will try to match the duplicate value for both columns. For example in row number 2. It will try to find where is letter A and then alpha is written in column B. Here also A and alpha, again A and alpha. And B in column A and Bravo in column B, again B and Bravo. Let's put B here as well. As it will not delete this B in this case, because now we are going to match the duplicate value of two columns and try deleting this. Go in the Data menu and click on Remove Duplicates and let's see what will be the result. So here it was selected by default and you can click OK. If you see here, it has removed everything which was duplicate with columns A and B. One A and alpha is left, so this B was only in column A, that is the reason why it was not removed. But the remaining values were removed. Press Ctrl+Z to undo. So, all the values like B, Bravo and which were duplicate, were removed but this value was not deleted, because it was not matching the duplicate value in columns A and B. Now in the next use case, let's go for columns A, B and C, and we'll see what will be the result. Let's go into the Data menu, then click on a Remove Duplicate and let's see what will be the result. If you notice, out of 21 lines only 2 lines were removed and the rest all were not removed. Because in this scenario, we have selected 3 columns, and it has marked where each and every value was matching in column A, column B and column C, then they were removed. Let's hit Ctrl Z to undo and see if it has only A with alpha, B with Bravo, so altogether there are only 4 lines that were duplicate, and when you try removing this duplicate value, it will remove only 2 lines out of 4, because it will not remove the unique values. It will leave only one value and remove the remaining. It will delete only the duplicate value, keeping the original value intact. That's all we want to cover in this chapter. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video, which will cover the best use of find and replace. You will find the links in the description for the previous and next chapters. If you have not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for new videos.